Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide a tutorial on how to back up contacts to Google Drive on Samsung Galaxy A15 device. Well, the way to back up contacts to Google Drive on your device is very easy. So, you can pay attention to these steps. First thing first, please open the settings menu on your device. Okay, so please scroll down here. Next, you can select Accounts and Backup menu. Okay, and then here you can select Backup Data options in Google Drive section. And then turn it on by pressing this button. Well, after that, you can choose Backup Account. Okay, so please scroll down and then select Google Account Data. Well, and then in this page, please check the contact option. Then you can return to the previous page. After that, you can click Backup Now at the top. Then wait until the backup process is successful. Okay, that's the tutorial on how to back up contacts to Google Drive in Samsung Galaxy A15 device. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get other information from this channel. Thank you.